Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mr. Dibongs. So today's video we're going to be talking about the difference between a personal and a business account via PayPal. So yeah, before we get into it, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. So yeah, let's get into it.
First thing we're going to chat about is the difference between a personal account and a business account on PayPal. So the main overarching difference between these two different account types is your intent. It is what you plan to use PayPal for. So for example, if you are wanting to create a PayPal account because you want to buy things online, then you would choose the personal account. But if you want to use PayPal to not only buy things online, but also to sell things, then you need the business account so that you can get access to the merchant functionalities and be able to receive payments from your customers. And also just keep in mind that you can always switch. So for example, if you have a personal account, you can upgrade it to a business account. And if you have a business account, you can also downgrade that to a personal account if you want to.